Bag. 1. Do you usually carry a bag? Yes, I usually carry a bag with me. It's convenient for keeping my essentials like phone, wallet, and other personal items. 2. Do you change your bag often? Not very often. I tend to use the same bag for a considerable period, unless it gets worn out or I need a specific bag for a particular occasion. 3. What kind of bags would you use when traveling? When traveling, I prefer using a backpack or a spacious crossbody bag. They allow me to carry all my travel essentials comfortably. 4. Is a bag an ideal gift? Yes, a bag can be an ideal gift, especially if it's chosen thoughtfully based on the recipient's style and needs. It's both practical and thoughtful. 5. Did you use a backpack when you were a child? Yes, I used a backpack when I was a child, especially for school. It was convenient for carrying my books and stationery.